Hi everyone! So let's go unbox this. Let's go unbox the waffle maker. Thank you, Sir Steve! It's arrived. It's like 2 days. 2 days and it's arrived now. So let's open it. So excited to open. Wow, it's big! Wow, Sir Steve, it's big. Let's open it. Wow, Sir Steve! Oh, it's heavy. There's a manual there. It's heavy. Ooh. Oh, no, it's not heavy. Wow. I will show you guys. Wow! It's a 4. You will cook 4 waffle at the time. And it's big. Wow, look. This is the medium max. Wow, it's very beautiful. I'm so excited to try it. There's the top rough. And it's not heavy. Sir Steve, thank you so much. I'm so excited to try this. I'm so excited to start my small business. Thank you so much. I'm so happy. My heart is very happy. I need to buy an adapter to this. Thank you, Sir Steve. Love you so much, my dream boy. So excited to start now. Thank you so much. God bless you more. Always take care. Love you. There's also the bilo-bilo. The 5 pieces bilo-bilo. It's Ubi flavor. Thank you. I will get one and I will give it to others. Thank you, Sir Steve. Thank you so much again. Sir Steve, thank you. I'm so happy. You know what? I'm so excited to start my small business. I will go to town to buy all the ingredients that I need on the waffle and all the things that I need to use. Thank you so much. Love you. God bless you more.